Satyadev Narayan Arya, Governor Tripura, November 2, 2021. Message. I extend my warm greeting and good wishes to the citizen of Tripura on the auspicious occasions of Diwali. May Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi brings endless moments of joy, health and wealth. Just as Diwali light protects us from darkness by giving bright light, in the same manner, in the same way, we create a society free of all injustice, corruption, partiality, disease and fault, and by true justice and religion, forever and ever, forever of external principles, establish a sustainable society and pave the way for the welfare of all and also understand progress of all. I appeal to everyone to celebrate this festival and offer prayer maintaining social distancing measures in view of COVID-19 pandemic. I convey my greeting and best wishes to the people of Tripura and wish them a very happy and prosperous life in the days to come.